Here we are wheat pasting. So we're gonna wheat paste this box, and I made the wheat paste this morning, and I'll make another video on how to do it. So here goes. We're gonna wheat paste up here. This is perfect. Okay. This is sweet. Okay. So, I'm gonna put this in my mouth. This is flour, sugar, coagulated. I'm gonna make another video on how to make this. I should have made the video last night, but I didn't. So, there's your motorcycle right there. I like to do this when people aren't watching, but I fucking slept in today, so anyways. And I'll be honest, this is a shitty surface for this wheat paste here. But, you know what? I'm gonna do it anyways. So we got this one. Oh. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. Oh. Uh-huh. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. This is quite shitty wheat paste. It might not stay, just given the surface, but I'll show you another one I just did. Metal boxes are ideal, and you want to get all the bubbles out. So this is wheat paste, flour, water. Play around with the mix, shake it up, boiling water, and I'll show you another one I just did. And this one's gonna stay. Guaranteed for a little while. Well, no guarantees ever. There it is.